The lake sturgeon was once abundant in New York, but this species was overharvested and its spawning grounds were blocked off and degraded. Currently, lake sturgeon are threatened in New York, and about 10 to 11,000 are stocked each year throughout the state to help support now recovering populations. These small fish could one day grow to 8 feet long and over 200 pounds, and the oldest lake sturgeon can live for over 150 years. If you see a lake sturgeon, keep your distance and do not disturb them, and immediately release a sturgeon if you ever happen to catch one in New York. Let's keep these fish happy and healthy for generations to come.